What's the easiest way to get a wholesome, nutritious, and delicious meal on the table any night of the week, even with a hectic schedule? Follow this formula. Take a whole grain, pile on a vegetable, or 2 or 3, add some lean protein, drizzle with a simple but flavor-packed sauce, and sprinkle on some garnishes. That, my friends, is a superpower meal. Now, I'm no mathematician, but that formula might just win you the Nobel Peace Prize. At least from your family. In my book, Build a Bowl, I feature 75 one-bowl breakfasts, lunches, and dinners. These recipes are easy to make, they are packed with flavor, and they can be customized to your own tastes. Best of all, with a batch of grains at the ready, they can all be made in under an hour and some far less. I'm Nikki Sizemore, and I'm here to help you get fabulous food on your plate or in your bowl any day of the week.